Number 4, are you given enough information to determine whether this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? You're going to explain. All right. So A, we see here that we have two sides and they're parallel that are congruent. By their definition, that is actually enough. Okay. If you want to see the proof, if you draw a diagonal line here, you get this is reflexive. So this is going to be side, side, side. So yeah, you can prove it by side. So here it would be yes. There is enough information here to prove that this is a parallelogram. B, looks like you have a side here and a side here. We are given any angles? No, there are no angles that we can get in any way. Okay, you cannot get interior angles because there's no information about parallel lines. So in B, the answer would then be no. C, then we have 60, 120, 120. Oh, we could actually get one more here. This is 60. Wow, look, these are opposites are congruent. These are opposite are congruent. So that proves that it is going to be a parallelogram. If you draw a vertical line down here, right, you get the side here, you have an angle here, and you have an angle here. So you could prove this using angle, angle, side, which works. So this one would be a yes. D, wow, we have a congruent side, perfect. And then we have parallel lines. Ooh, that's really good. Okay. So the parallel lines, if we extend this, take a look, right? Okay. And this is the transversal. We know that the alternate interior angles are congruent. So we have an A here. Okay. Then if we draw a line down here, okay, reflexive property, we get a side. Okay. Then we also have the 6s, which is a side. So here you could prove it using side, angle, sides. So for D, it would be a yes. E, oh wow. It looks like we only have some angles here. So we have an angle here, but nothing about sides. We only have angles. So there is no congruency statement from angle, angle, angle. Okay, we can't get any sides from any property. Yeah, so this is just a no. So there you go. That is how you can tell if there is enough information to prove that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram.